Dans certains pays, après la récitation par l'imam de la sourate Al-Fatiha, les adorateurs disent Amin avec un petit air. Il a été remarqué qu'à la mosquée de Londres, cela n'est pas le cas. Quelle était donc la pratique des premiers musulmans?
It has been it has been noticed that in certain countries, after the Imam has recited Surah Al-Fatiha, the people behind him in the prayer will recite the Amin with a little tune.
Louder.
With a
like
tune
it always happens in Mauritius.
Yes.
With a beautiful tune, you know. Amin.
Something like that, yes.
You know, and that varies from place to place in Mauritius. The person who leads the Amin tune does it differently in different places. So what? What is the question?
The question is, what was the practice of the first Muslims? Was this the practice or not?
I don't know their practice definitely, because the opinions differ. But I do certainly know the practice in Qadian. There, people were given choice to say Amin silently or loudly if they pleased. But never I heard them who spoke loudly of going into music and inventing musical tunes. That was my first experience in Mauritius. In Qadian, we always did Amin, some loudly, some without uttering it loudly. But they said just Amin, that was that. But not Amin, you know, like it happens in Mauritius, please.
Sa sainteté dit que j'ai rencontré cette pratique la première fois lorsque j'étais à l'île Maurice, où les gens donc chantonnent un peu le Amin ou le Amen comme on dit en français, après la récitation de la sourate Al-Fatiha. Sa sainteté dit que je ne sais pas quelle était la réelle pratique des tout premiers musulmans, car les opinions diffèrent à ce sujet. Mais ce que je peux vous dire, c'est que je connais la pratique à Qadian, donc la pratique qui a été établie par le Messie premier alayhi salam lui-même. Et à Qadian, on avait laissé le choix aux adorateurs, soit de réciter le Amin avec, silencieusement, ou bien de le dire avec un air. Et je ne me souviens pas d'un seul cas où une personne aurait récité le Amin comme le calife l'avait fait tout à l'heure, avec un petit air, donc en musique. Le calife dit c'était en fait la première fois de ma vie d'entendre cela à l'île Maurice. Et donc, so, does it mean that...
You know, when I imitated you in Mauritius, I couldn't do it properly. You can do it properly. So tell us how the Mauritians do.
How the Mauritians do it, yes. It depends on the Imam. It depends on his tune.
It depends on you now.
Yeah. It depends on his last note. Whatever his last note is, it'll be followed.
No, this is wrong. It's absolutely wrong. Are you a Mauritian?
I've seen it like this, Huzur, in Mauritius.
You are more Irish than Mauritian.
Well,
or let's make them demonstrate it. The Mauritians were sitting. Now, Faiza's brother, how would you do it? In Mauritius, if in Mauritius, how would you say Amin?
Say Amin.
Do it properly, openly. So,
Amin.
Plus, I've heard much longer Amins there. How would you do that?
Amin.
And ladies, we leave alone. But you're not still doing justice to the Amins of Mauritians. Thank you for escaping. Please.